Aha! What do we have here? I'm pretty sure you know, so let's not waste any more time. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, you're watching Gadget Match, and this is our Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus unboxing. Here it is, Samsung's latest Galaxy Note. What we have here is the bigger Plus variant, the 256GB model to be exact. Okay, let's open it up. Lifting this lid reveals another box with a SIM ejector tool and quick start guide. Next, the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Flip the phone around and you'll see its iridescent finish. The color is actually called Aura Glow, but more on that later. Let's see what else is in here. First, a USB-C wall adapter. For even faster charging speeds, Samsung also sells this $50 45-watt charger. Next up is a tiny box with three things: S Pen nibs, plus a tool to help you replace it when it wears off. A USB-C to USB-A adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, extra ear tips, and last but definitely not least, AKG headphones. Nope, they're not wireless. How I wish. I've got to admit, these are some of my favorite headphones to come bundled with a smartphone, so I'm pretty stoked to see them in black. Let's clean this up. Magic. Let's take a look at that finish again. Peel this plastic off. Wow, would you look at that? What I like about Aura Glow is that it really isn't one specific color, but a whole range of different colors, sometimes even a rainbow, depending on how the light hits it. Now, because this glass is slippery, you might want to protect it with a case. I bought this one on Amazon from Spigen. Now let's power on the phone, and while we do, roll spec sheet. Or should we do spec sheets? The Note 10 Plus is pretty much the same phone as the smaller Note 10, except for its bigger battery and bigger display. Okay, I just want to quickly show you a new feature on the Galaxy Note this year. It's an app called Samsung Global Goals. Just like it announced at its launch event, Samsung is partnering with UNDP to make it easier for users to support the movement. Here on the app, you can learn more about the Sustainable Development Goals, donate directly to the UNDP, or earn money from charge screens that you can donate. And that was our Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus unboxing. We're going to keep this video very short because we are already working on our review video, and that will come your way very soon. So to make sure you don't miss that and other videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.